We had an issue this past summer with a faculty member who got ransomware at night at home, and Cybereason isolated the machine automatically, and we were able to take action on it first thing in the morning. My name is Keith. I'm the CISO for Seton Hall University. We have 2,750 faculty, staff, and graduate student endpoints and servers, and then we have another 8,000 student endpoints that are managed by the students, not by IT security. The number one security challenge is trying to keep people safe from accidental threats. You know, clicking on fishes that they shouldn't and going to places they shouldn't go, because as an academic institution we have an open environment. The primary reason I chose Cybereason was because of the process behavior of the tool. As opposed to being machine-based behavior, it was based on the processes inside the machine. Cybereason solved the pain points, first of all, by reducing the complexity of having to manage multiple tools. It gave us a single point to look at. We didn't have to go to one tool for EDR and one tool for endpoint protection. It gave us a lower total cost of ownership, which was a major pain point for us, in that the human resources needed to maintain the other two products was more than I could handle, considering I have a small full-time staff, and I really couldn't supplement that with student workers. It force multiplies my analysts, and that's one of the biggest reasons I recommend it to all of our peers. Cybereason invited me up to Boston twice to meet with the SOC and talk to them. I had a comfort level that the people that worked up there really knew what they were doing. The level of protection we've gotten is much better. We're seeing more malops reported in Cybereason than we have in any of the other tools we had in the past. When a malop shows up, we know it's something we have to look at. Whereas with other tools, we would be getting false alerts all the time, and that's a big issue. So we know that it's catching things that the other tools didn't get. And the other big benefit is that because of the way Cybereason is architected, when machines are off campus, they're still reporting back to Cybereason, and we see those malops being reported. And in higher ed, one of the things we have is, especially with faculty, you have 3 months in the summer where they're never on campus. So they're never connected to the domain, they're never connected to the network, yet their machines are still being protected and supported. Several major universities that have some of the top cybersecurity programs in the country were heavily impacted by malware, where their entire networks were lost. And we felt that we didn't have that risk, and I told my boss, the CIO, this, because we have Cybereason. It gives us a comfort level that I don't lose sleep at night about worrying about machines getting hit with malware or ransomware, and that's a huge benefit.